Across history, bizarre patents reveal human ingenuity, from electric corsets that tightened garments to helmeted devices claimed to curb snoring. This rapid tour highlights inventions solving everyday quirks with flair, even when practicality was uncertain. Among the oddities, the anti-snore helmet stands as a dramatic relic, promising airflow control while sparking nighttime curiosity. Other patents hint at futuristic vibes with heated gloves and talking devices that warned when batteries ran low. This quick dive into forgotten patents reveals both brilliance and folly, showing that imagination often outpaced practicality yet continues to inspire future ideas.